Wolvox Location Management. With Location Management module, you can define all the parts of your warehouse in detail, such as floors, corridor, shelf. You can place your stocks on those coordinates and detect their location very clear when needed. To be able to use these features, Location Management module must be licensed. Let's see how the module works. First, you need to define locations in order to enter a location. For this operation, go to Stock Management, Definitions, Warehouse, and Location Definitions. Select the warehouse to define coordinates from the Warehouse field. Now we're able to define locations. To do so, fill in the code and definition fields under Location Info. Type the code and name of your first location and save. To enter a new location, click on Add New button below. After completing main location creation, enter sub-locations under them. Select the location to enter sub-location and click on Add Sub-Location button. After writing the code and definition, click Save button. To enter new sub-location, click Add Sub-Location button again. You can enter sub-locations to the sub-locations you created. You can follow the same steps to do it. After creating sub-locations, you can add location map from here. You can determine where the location you create will correspond to on the map. Select the location you wish to determine. Click on Set Location button. After defining location, you can enter transaction. Location transaction entries do not affect warehouse and stock balance in any way. For location transaction entries, go to Stock Management, Operations, Warehouse Operations, and use Location Input Operations and Location Output Operations forms. From the Search Stock Card screen, select the stock to be entered. Then select the location for input or output and click on Transfer button. Type the transaction amount. To complete input or output process, write document number, transaction date, and time of location transaction entry, and click Save. You can get a list of all the inputs and outputs of the locations by using Location Transaction Report. You can see how many products in which location from the Location Inventory field as total based. You can get a report by document numbers from Location Document Report field. And from Warehouse Location List field, you can display the location definitions you have created before.